We now enter the fourth week of the doctor's walkout, which means patients are still left without their doctors. And to provide much-needed care, military and public doctors will now be dispatched to private hospitals nationwide. Our Kim Jungsil searches us off.
The massive collective walkout by trainee doctors has now entered its fourth week. On Sunday, Health Minister Cho Kyoo-hong announced plans to maintain the number of doctors amid the health service disruption.
We will also ensure the emergency care system is fully operational. We will dispatch 20 military doctors and 138 public health doctors to 20 hospitals for 4 weeks starting March 11th.
He added the government will swiftly use the nearly 130 billion won of reserves, roughly $100 million decided last week. The reserves are to support emergency on-call labor costs for medical personnel and help hospitals recruit medical staff during this time. The government also will increase compensation for doctors in essential medical care fields. This is because general practitioners are paid less due to the country's health insurance system, where fees for essential medical care are often set too low, according to the doctors. Regarding the government pilot project that began last month to give nurses the authority to practice partial medical procedures, the minister disagreed that it created the risk of illegal medical services.
The pilot project is intended to protect the public health while clarifying the scope of work so that nurses can focus on protecting patients without worrying about other things.
Meanwhile, professors of Seoul National University College of Medicine, the country's top medical school, will hold an emergency meeting later on Monday. The professors will likely discuss the current situation and come up with ideas on whether to engage in a collective resignation. South Korea has one of the lowest doctor-to-patient ratios in the OECD, with specialist doctors such as plastic surgeons and dermatologists some of the highest paid. Kim Jungsil, Arirang News.